Good morning internet. When I bought my Honda CB200X, the first thing I realized while riding at night was that the headlight beam was pointing straight upwards and not down towards the ground. So let me show you a quick fix on how you can adjust the focus beam of the headlight. So this is the front of this Honda CB200X. If you look from in front where the handlebar is, you will see a small nut in there. So that's the adjustable nut to change the focus of the headlight. Now to make this adjustment, you will need a number 8 size spanner, and I'll show you how to do it. Put your number 8 spanner in place. You turn the nut anti-clockwise to increase the height of the beam, and you turn it clockwise to lower the height of the beam. Hope this video was helpful for some of you guys out there. If you have any more questions, do leave it in the comment section below. Thanks.